Today we will do Gauss elimination method. In this method we will consider these three questions: eliminate unknowns, reduce the system into upper triangular system, and then using back substitution method we will find unknowns. Okay, first we will consider this equation: a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Let equation number 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. Equation number 2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Equation number 3. First we will reduce this system into upper triangular system, which means we have to eliminate x here and y from third equation. Eliminate x from second and third equation, eliminate y from third equation. Okay, first we will eliminate x. Eliminate x. Okay, now to eliminate x we will use operations on equation number 2 and 3. Okay, first we will apply equation number 2 minus a2 by a1 times a1. But here we have coefficient a2, here we have a1. First we will make it a2, then we will subtract 1 from 2. Okay, when we multiply equation number 1 with a2 by a1, then here a1 cancel, we will left with a2x, then minus a2x plus a2x will cancel, then x will be eliminated. So to eliminate x from equation 2 we will use this, and from equation 3 we will use a3, because here we have a3, so we will multiply equation 1 with a3 by a1. Equation number 1. Okay, first we will apply this. Now we have equation number 2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z. Now minus a2 by a1 times equation number 1, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d2 minus a2 by a1 times d1. Okay, here we have a2, b2, c2. Here we have a2x, here a1 cancel, we have minus a2x, so cancel. Now we have collect the coefficient of y, b2 y. Here we have minus a2 divided by a1 into b1 y. Collect the term of z, c2z minus a2 by a1 c1. Here we have c1z. Okay, let it d2 dash. Okay, renaming the constants. Okay, here y is common, and renaming the coefficient of y we have b2 dash y. Similarly here renaming coefficient of z we have c2 dash z is equal to d2 dash. Equation number 4. Now we eliminated x from equation number 2. Now we will eliminate x from equation number 3. Use operation this. Similarly follow this procedure. Multiply equation number 1 with a3 by a1 and subtract it from equation number 3. We will again left with the equation of this type. Here we have b2, c2. In next equation we will have b3 dash y plus c3 dash z is equal to d3 dash. Equation number 5. Simply we use this operation for equation number 3. Follow this procedure. and we will get this equation. You will try yourself, you can solve it easily. If you have any problem, then you can comment me, I will solve your problem. Where we write 2, 2, 2, 2, replace 2 by 3, whole procedure is same. Okay, then we will get equation this, renaming the coefficients of y and z and d, we will get this. Okay, now we will eliminate y from equation number 5. Okay, to eliminate y, here we have a coefficient b3 dash, here we have b2 dash. First we will multiply it with b3 dash and divide by b2 dash, and we will get b3 dash y, and then y will cancel and we will left with z. We will use operation 5 minus b3 dash divided by b2 dash times fourth equation. Okay, procedure is same but equations are different. Okay, write fifth equation. Fifth equation is b3 dash y plus c3 dash z minus b3 dash divided by b2 dash times fourth equation, b2 dash y plus c2 dash z is equal to this minus this, d3 dash minus b3 dash divided by b2 dash times d2 dash. Rename, here we have plus b3 dash y, here b2 dash cancel, we left with minus b3 dash y, cancel. So we have c3 dash is z minus b3 dash by b2 dash c2 dash z. Rename d3 double dash z common, renaming the coefficients of z, c3 double dash is equal to 3 double dash. Now here we have only z, we can find the value of z from equation. Now rewriting the equations, we have a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Fourth equation is b2 dash y plus c2 dash z is equal to d2 dash. Equation number 1, equation number 4, now equation number 6, because we have to change the system into upper triangular system and we have to eliminate x from equation number 2 and 3 and y from equation number 3. Sixth equation is c3 double dash z is equal to d3 double dash. Sixth equation. Now the system is in upper triangular system. Here x is 0, y is 0. Now using back substitution we will find from equation number 6 z, from equation number 4 y, from equation number 1 x. Okay, we will put here value of z, find y, we will put here y and z and find the value of x. First understand this, then I will make a video on example, then you will understand very easily. Okay, first try it, then try its example and try to reduce equation number 3 in form of equation number 5, otherwise I will tell you. Okay,
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, आपको ऐसी वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी.